Have you ever faced this situation? You're trying to establish communication between your PLC and your PC, and the first thing you do is try to ping the PLC IP address. But the problem is you don't know the IP address. So what do we normally do? We use the hit and trial method, manually changing the last digit of the IP address and pinging again and again. 192.1681.10, 192.1681.t, 192.1681.50, and most of the time, it fails. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you a smart command prompt trick using a for loop that will automatically ping all IP addresses from 92.168.1.1.255 one by one. And it will display only the devices that are active on the network. Simply open the command prompt and paste this command. The for loop will scan the entire subnet and check the response from each IP address. As you can see in this example, out of all 255 addresses, only one device responded at 192.168.1.235, and that's your PLC. No more manual guessing. No more wasting time. This method is fast, simple, and extremely useful for PLC engineers.
Wrong plug. Boom, 500 points off. Stop guessing the old way. This all-in-one cable tester is precise and efficient. One step done. Comes with a handy carrying case. What's inside? Adapters. User manual. USB-C charging cable. 3.5mm wired headphones. Alligator clips. This is the auxiliary machine. This is the main unit. It has 3 ports, 2 on the side, 1 on top. Charging port at the bottom. This smart, all-in-one cable tester supports both RJ45 and RJ11, dual interface testing, phone line, network cable, or low voltage wire. It finds them all accurately. Equipped with an LED display. Results are clear and easy to read. No more squinting at tiny lights. The main unit also includes cable connection tests, port blink, length check, crimp test, speed test, PO test, and more powerful functions. Plus, the remote unit knob controls sensitivity. It also has NCV detection, so you can quickly locate broken wires. Flashlight feature included. The remote unit plugged the headphones into this little hole. Ready to try this cable tester?
Get one. You can grab a 6% discount by using my coupon code MOHAMMAD6% at checkout. So, whether you're testing voltage, current, or diagnosing motor faults, this multimeter will make your job much easier. Check the link in the description and don't forget to use the code MOHAMMAD6% to save some money.